Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be going over on how to integrate Google Meet, Zoom, Room, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx into your Polycom X50 or any other series for Polycoms. First thing first, make sure you set the provider on the Polycom to Zoom. After that, after you create the room, pair the device to the Zoom room, you'll be going over to the conference room settings as we see on the screen. And then after that, you'll be clicking on the room settings and then scroll down to what it says, click on the meeting tab and then scroll down to where it says support interoperability for Zoom rooms. And you need to check mark all these items that's showing up on the screen. And that way, all of these items will be showing up on your device TC8, which is the iPad that comes with the Polycom. That will show up on the screen, and then from there, after that, you need to sync the calendar, your room calendar. In my case, I synced the calendar for Google Meet, and after I sync it, it was able to bring all the events that's scheduled for that Zoom room into my iPad, and it was showing on the screen as well. That's all you need to do. Here's a couple of requirements that you need to have before pairing the device. One of the main one is to purchase a Zoom license. And then set the calendar, set up the calendar integration. The calendar integration can work with Microsoft Office and then or Google Meet, which is Google Calendar in my case. After a lot of research, calling vendors, I was provided a lot of heavy prices just to integrate all these three. So I feel like this is the best option. It saves you money where you can just sync those, all of these platforms, and for like just the price of the Zoom room, and that's all you need. I'll be posting more tricks on how to set up this Zoom, and also I'll link the article and a couple of steps that I've found useful on how to set up the Zoom room. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in.